Alright guys, so as I said before, I bought this cool battery here, the the Fly Venom, but I don't think it'll work with this quad, so that's a wah-wah situation. But on the upside, this thing has an ST connector, which is cooler, and I actually have a charger for it from one of my other large quads. It's not really a quad. It's a tricopter plane thing. Anyway, I think it'll work with this, so I'll be able to charge this, and we'll see how it works. The only thing that this thing, it does say ready to fly, but if it doesn't have a charger, that's still kind of ready to limp. But hopefully, at least it'll bind this. So we'll have to check that out, and I'll let you know pretty soon whether it works. Thanks for watching.
Likey.